So in this video, you'll learn how to revert back to the default theme on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you've previously changed the theme of your Fold and now you want to go back to its default format, getting rid of all the customizations that you've done, then what you're going to do is just navigate to the Galaxy Theme Store. Now you can do this by opening the Settings app, then scrolling and selecting the option Themes. Alternatively, you can just go directly to your home screen, long press on an empty space, and then from here, once you're in the home screen editor, you're going to tap on Themes. Either way, this will open up the Galaxy Theme Store on your Z Fold 7. From here, you're then going to navigate to your menu. To do that, you can just tap on this hamburger icon in the top left corner. And then from this menu of options, you're going to scroll down until you find My Stuff. Select it. Under My Stuff, you'll have the different categories available: themes, wallpapers, icons, and AOD. So what you're going to do is just ensure that you're under themes, and then you're going to select your default theme. So it's normally labeled default so that you don't get confused. And then once you selected it, you're going to tap on apply and wait for the changes to be added onto your phone. Once they've been reverted back to default, you'll be redirected to your home screen, and you can see I've successfully changed my home screen back to its default state. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.